So this is for help with the questions. You may be saying, what are you expecting? For number one, write out what each of the solids and liquids added to the glass are. I just want you to remember what these things are made of. In the video, I tell you, but on this, for number one, just write the blue liquid is this, the dark brown one is this, the yellowish one is this. Okay? Just tell me what's in there, just so that we can like categorize our thoughts and think about this in an organized manner. For number two, it says which objects or liquids float on each other. So what floated on what? Did the syrup float on the oil? Did the grape float on top of the um, oil? Did it float on top of the nut? What did it do? Do it for each of them. And then number three, rank each material from most dense to least dense. That is pretty obvious, right? Which one is the most dense? Write that and then go up in ascending order. I'm talking about for everything in order. And remember, no two things have the same density in that video at least. Number four says show how the density of each material liquid is different. For this one, I want you to draw like what you would see if you could look inside. So if you're going to draw, you can do this in two ways. One way, you can draw like the cup and then draw each thing in each layer and show me what the atoms would look like. You can draw circles, you can draw dots, you can draw lines. Or you can say, you can draw each thing itself. Say this is the water, and the atoms inside of there would look like this. Remember, density has to do with the mass and the volume, how much stuff is in the substance. So think about that when you're drawing. Also think about your answer to number three. That should help you figure out how to draw each. If you have any other questions, just ask me.